Hello and welcome to the virtual plant tour of the Coachmen Class A, Pursuits, Muratas, Murata Selects, and the Sports Coach facility. The Coachmen Class A plant was custom built specifically for Class A motorhomes. Our production facility is set up so that we can adjust production to meet market needs and bring new models to market faster without limitations. Within our production facility, there are many substations. All of the substations are prepped and staged days before, so when they arrive to the station, there is no delay in assembly. Starting with the chassis, every motorhome starts out at our chassis plant where it is prepped. Ford makes the gas line motorhome and the Freightliner Cummins makes the diesel chassis. The first station is the flooring, where the pre-assembled floor is lowered into place onto the frame of the motorhome. Each coach is then layered with the bow floor for the gas lines, and the diesel motorhome have a high-end Emser tile flooring. Plumbing, gas, electric, and furnace lines are run and placed into the proper location. Next to the station is the cabinet shop, where we produce all of our cabinets and frames for the interior walls. Something to keep in mind is how clean our cabinet shop is. Sawdust and debris is a common issue for cabinet shops, and keeping it clean is important for the safety and health of the people that work in the cabinet shop. Another safety precaution we use are safety glasses, closed-toed shoes, and a safety banner hung so all employees can see the different ways to keep safe throughout the workday. Moving along through the production line, more interior walls, bath decks, and base cabinets are installed. The next station on the production line are the sidewalls. Every Class A motorhome utilizes fully laminated high-end Noble Select sidewalls. The benefit of having our own lamination facility is to maximize the quality and efficiency of production. Once the sidewalls are set, the coach then proceeds to get a front and rear cap. Once these are mounted, the roof is then positioned on top of the motorhome. The roof has a separate pre-assembled area where the vents, wiring, lights, and air conditioners are put into place. For our Pursuit line, we use a thermoplastic material referred to as TPO. For Murata, Murata Select, and the Sports Coach lines, we use a rolled fiberglass. Our next station is the slide-out station. This is where we have a team working specifically on the slide-out. Once the pre-assembled slide-out is completed, it is then lifted onto the coach. Onto the next station, the coach is then lifted onto a hoist where it is inspected and undercoated with a bus liner to protect it from road corrosion. After this is all completed, the coaches then head to final finish. This is where we monitor quality control of everything that we put into our coaches. Quality is top priority for us and our motorhomes. The production of Coachmen Class A motorhomes takes the skills of highly trained individuals from all aspects of plumbing, electrical, woodshop, and more. The training and development we provide is a step above all other RV manufacturing facilities, as we know our in-house promotions of employees is what builds the winning culture. Thank you for joining us on this brief tour, and we encourage you to visit our nearest Coachmen RV dealer. Also, come by our office in Middlebury, Indiana, and take a plant tour in person. Then you'll really understand why Coachmen is the best choice when choosing your next RV.